You don't like yourself? You're stuck? Unmotivated? This is going to be the most valuable video you ever watch because you aren't meant to stay the same. You are meant to change, to grow, to level up. Creating a new, better version of yourself, one that you love and gives your life meaning, is so important. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can create the version of yourself you were always meant to be. Awareness. You don't have to hate who you are to outgrow her. You just have to stop identifying with the version of you that doesn't fit anymore. If your current life feels off or you are unhappy, that is not a sign of failure. That's feedback. And this feedback that you're getting is telling you that you are not in alignment of your true best self. To really understand where your blocks are, do shadow work. This helps you get clear on what's holding you back, what you have been avoiding, and what patterns you keep repeating. Here are some prompts that I like to use. You can always go on Pinterest and find even more prompts that fit what you're going through right now. This just helps to see yourself because you can't evolve what you refuse to acknowledge. And it's time for you to transform and level up. Release the old version of yourself. Stop repeating stories that limit you. I'm not confident. I can't stay consistent. That's too hard. I just can't do it. Those aren't facts. Those are just scripts that you made up in your mind. They are not true. Girl, you need to get those limiting beliefs, old stories out of your head. The moment you stop saying them is the moment you stop reinforcing them. And that's when you start creating room for something new. They're just toxic and they're not doing you any good. Plus, they make you so unattractive. Planning the new version. You've got to get crystal clear on who you are and who you want to become. Because if you don't know where you're going, then how could you possibly become her? Ask yourself, who do you want to become? What are your goals? How much money do you make? What are your hobbies? What are your habits? What's her career? What does she wear? What does she eat? What does she read? What does she consume? Who does she hang out with? Then create a vision board, whether that's a physical one or a digital one. Something you can look at every single day that reminds you of who you're becoming. Set clear goals. Now that you've wrote that all down and you are crystal clear on who you want to become, it's time to make a plan. If you don't know where to start by writing your goals into small, achievable steps. Don't try to change yourself in a whole week. Focus on one small thing you can do today. Maybe your best self needs to grow some muscle. So your first step wouldn't be going to the gym for 2 hours. Maybe your first step will be, oh, I'll go to the gym for 20 minutes. I'll eat more protein. Because progress starts small. The more steps you take, the more closer you get to your goals. And if you're still not sure where to start, ask ChatGPT. Type into ChatGPT, I want to achieve blank. Write me a step-by-step plan on how to get there. And it will come up with everything. Act as if. Act as if you already are her. Walk like her. Talk like her. Make decisions like her. Before you do anything, always ask yourself, would my higher self do this? Would my higher self choose this? If it is a yes, do it. If it is a no, then don't. This one question will become your compass, and it will make becoming her so much easier. You will begin embodying her through this one question. It'll make you more present so you don't fall into old patterns. It may feel uncomfortable, it may feel fake, but you are practicing. You are not pretending. You are practicing. You are practicing till you actually become her. Affirmations. These are my favorite affirmations, the ones that help me stay aligned with my higher self. The more you say and repeat them, the more you believe them, and the more it will come true. Create an alter ego. Even the most iconic people in the world reinvent themselves. Beyoncé becomes Sasha Fierce, Norma Jean becomes Marilyn Monroe, Eminem becomes Slim Shady. Your alter ego is your highest self with a name. It's the version of you that already does the things you're scared to do. Here's how to make it simple. Step 1, name her. Pick a name that makes you feel powerful. Step 2, visualize her. Remember, your weaknesses are your alter ego's strengths. If you're shy, she's confident. Step 3, Be her. Before you go out and do anything, let your alter ego take over. Then eventually, you won't need to pretend. It'll just be you. This is the end of the video. If this video inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching!